RSS, BJP and corporate. Now our country is ruled by these three forces. RSS बैक सीट में बैठकर हमारा देश की इकोनॉमी, हमारा देश की सामाजिक स्ट्रक्चर, ये सब चीज़ खराब करने के लिए काम कर रहा है. Now we can see that the economy of our country is in a standstill. Middle level and lower level business, industries and economic transactions are fully in a dilemma. Nobody dare to invest money in business, and people have lost trust in our Reserve Bank and the other nationalized bank also. The Narendra Modi government took a sudden decision to demonetize the mostly circulated, mostly utilized currency notes of denominations 500 rupees and 1000 rupees. I don't believe that they take such a decision without any preparation or without any kind of thinking. They have made some planning behind this decision. But that planning was not in favor of the people of India or not intended to protect the economy system of our country. They have to protect, they have to achieve some other targets. Now they have achieved those targets also. The target was to exclude middle level and lower level business class from the economy functioning of our country. Economy functioning of the country is now confined to some big lords and corporates only. All other sectors are now blocked, and small scale business people and ordinary mass are troubling very, very strongly. For example, the money flow is now very slow. Every kind of new ventures in business sector meets failure within 6 months or 1 year. People invest money, lose their money, and for further investment they will normally hesitate. This hesitation is now widely spread all over the nation, and we can see that during the nearby days of this demonetization declaration, we saw long queues in front of our banks, and Narendra Modi had implemented some kind of ration system for currency notes. Even in those times, we saw bundles of 2000 denomination currency notes in the hands of children of BJP leaders. What it means? Some preparation, some precautions, and some help behind the curtain have surely took place in the ruling area, in the ruling team, and between the ruling team and Reserve Bank of India. We have to guess so. Evidences are also there. Now also we can see police seizing demonetized notes from people who are carrying notes, bundles of notes from one place to another. 2 CR, 3 CR, 5 CR currency notes were seized. We can see news in newspapers and in media. What it means, all the stipulated dates are over by now, and the Reserve Bank is not exchanging old notes now to common mass. Some very, very few exceptional cases only are remaining. But in our local towns also, we can see transportation of old currency notes now also. There is some agency connected to Reserve Bank or the ruling BJP government who works as intermediate with these people to help them to exchange these notes. With a very large commission, agents launched by BJP are working among people to help them or to accept the old currency notes from those people and to give them those notes exchanged with a very large margin of commission. That means the major part of the black money is now flowing towards BJP. And BJP is playing this black money politics and also blackmailing politics. Utilizing such funds, they are blackmailing political leaders who have a history of corruptions and keeping files of corruptions of each individual in hand. BJP is blackmailing them and persuading them to support them and bringing them into their fold. They have damaged the secular government in Bihar. They captured ruling power in Arunachal Pradesh. They captured ruling power in Manipur and Goa, and everywhere we can see BJP is converting politics into a trade with the help of black money. In Tamil Nadu also, they are blackmailing the political leaders and the ruling parties, and they are controlling the Tamil Nadu politics. In Kerala also, we can see that though the LDF government is expected to be deadly against BJP, and they are very, very strong enemies to in front of the people, perhaps because of one shortcoming from the present Chief Minister, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, an incident of scam from his side. They are supposedly blackmailing him, and they are implementing their agenda in some areas of social life in Kerala also. Now BJP, which party came into power upholding corruption, black money and development, they are downplaying the agenda of development, corruption and black money, and they are actually utilizing black money and corruption for their political benefit.